Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Press the Windows key, type Services, MSC, and press Enter to open Services. Wait a few seconds for the management console to load and stabilize. If prompted by User Account Control, choose Yes to allow administrative access. You will see a list of services sorted alphabetically in Services. Do not close this window while you work. You will use it to find the Task Scheduler service and to change its startup properties. Scroll through the list or press the T key to jump to services that begin with T. Locate Task Scheduler in the Services list and verify the service name column reads Task Scheduler. Double-click Task Scheduler to open its properties dialog for configuration and details. Check the service status and startup type before making any changes. Note the current status so you can revert settings if needed. In the Properties dialog, set startup type to automatic or automatic, delayed start, as your environment requires. If the service status shows stopped, click the Start button to launch Task Scheduler immediately. Wait until the status changes to running before closing the dialog. Click Apply, then OK to save your changes and exit the Properties window. Optionally restart Windows to confirm Task Scheduler.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.